in this little compact folded up case that is 9x6 roughly. We have a 142 piece electronics precision screwdriver set. Every bit you can imagine in here almost. It is pretty impressive what you get in this little kit. A lot of stuff going on here. Little hand strap on here. You got your guitar picks, little memory mat for your screws. How about that? Little screen cleaning cloth right here. But what I'm really impressed with is the amount of bits you get with this. That is really something. On this side, we've got all these different tools for removing screens. We got tweezers, brush, man, all kinds of stuff on here. Really impressive. A little suction cup right here. Here's my favorite part, the screwdriver part itself. This is really cool because it's got the spinner on top. So if you're spinning it, you can do that. It's got a nice grippy handle on it, rubber grippy handle. This portion right here is magnetic and actually it's removable. So it locks into place at each of these grooves on here. So that actually when it's fully extended, it is 8.5 inches long plus whatever your bit is. So roughly 9 inches. And these bits, when you pull them out of here, every kind of bit you can imagine, Phillips, flathead, Torx, Torx security, completely magnetized in there. You don't have to worry about losing them. I think it's awesome. Totally easy to get inside of a computer. Plenty of room for that. Everything you can possibly imagine in here. And when you're done, you can just fold it all up, Velcro it on here, throw it in your tool bag. Hardly takes up any room at all. Fantastic. Nice kit. STREBITO screwdriver set, 142 piece.